Preparing for Java questions for a software engineering interview is important for demonstrating your Java knowledge, handling technical discussions, having confidence during the interview, and differentiating yourself.
What is the purpose of the assert keyword? The assert keyword is used for debugging purposes to check if a given condition is true. If the condition is false, it throws an assertion error. What is the purpose of the transient keyword? The transient keyword indicates that a variable should not be serialized during object serialization. It is often used for variables that are not needed to be persisted. What is the purpose of the native keyword? The native keyword indicates that a method is implemented in a platform-specific manner using native code written in languages like C or C++. It is often used for low-level operations or interfacing with system libraries. What is the difference between an error and an exception? Errors represent serious problems that are usually beyond the programmer's control, such as out-of-memory or Stack Overflow errors. Exceptions, on the other hand, represent exceptional conditions that the program can handle or anticipate. What is the purpose of the system.gc method? The system.gc method suggests the JVM to run the garbage collector. However, there is no guarantee that the garbage collector will actually run in response to this suggestion. What is the purpose of the enum? The enum is a special type in Java used to define a group of constants. Enums provide type safety and can be used in switch statements. What are the different access modifiers? Java has 4 access modifiers: public, protected, private, and the default. They control the visibility and accessibility of classes, variables, methods, and constructors. What is the purpose of the static block? The static block is used to initialize the static variables or perform some one-time initialization tasks for a class. It is executed when the class is loaded into memory. What is the purpose of the super keyword in a constructor? The super keyword is used to call the constructor of the superclass from the subclass constructor. It is used to initialize the inherited members of the subclass. What is the purpose of the break statement? The break statement is used to terminate the execution of a loop or switch statement. It is often used to exit a loop prematurely or skip the remaining iterations. What is the purpose of the continue statement? The continue statement is used to skip the current iteration of a loop and move to the next iteration. It is often used to skip certain iterations based on a specific condition. What is the purpose of the toString method? The toString method is used to return a string representation of an object. It is often overridden to provide meaningful information about the object state. What is the purpose of the equals method? The equals method is used to check if 2 objects are equal based on their content or value. It is often overridden to provide custom equality checks. What is the purpose of the hashcode method? The hashcode method is used to return the hashcode value of an object. It is often overridden when the equals method is overridden to maintain the contract between the 2 methods. What is the purpose of the try with resources statement? The try with resources statement automatically closes resources that implement the auto-closable interface, such as file streams or database connections. It ensures that the resources are properly closed, even in the case of an exception.